students. Today we will discuss how to balance the chemical equation by using oxidation number method. In my previous video, you will learn all the rules involved in the oxidation number method to balance the reaction or to balance the chemical redox reaction. Today in this video, we will solve one chemical equation by using all the rules of oxidation number method. How these rules are applicable to balance the chemical equation. In oxidation number method, our first rule is write the skeletal equation as the given. Beta, the given equation is known as skeletal equation. Rule number 1, write the skeletal equation as the given. Our given equation is iron plus 2, dichromate ion react together to give ferric ion plus chromium ion is H positive. Better this H positive only indicate the medium. During balancing, maybe H positive on right side, maybe on left side. Only H positive given in the equation only indicate the medium of reaction is acidic. If this H is not given in your exam, then how will you identify reaction is in acidic or basic medium? Beta, in the language, to balance the chemical equation in acidic medium. It is clear cut, known by us which medium we will use, and in the given equation there is H positive. H positive only indicate the medium of reaction. This is the reaction, na beta. During balancing, this H positive may be added on left hand side, maybe on right hand side, that not matter. This is the first rule, write the skeletal equation. Second rule, write the oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. Before follow this rule, the charge given must be circle. Given charge must be circle to identify these charges are given and these are the oxidation number. To write the oxidation number, beta, an atom have charge is the oxidation number. That means iron have oxidation number plus 2. Oxygen basically have minus 2, and calculate the oxidation number of chromium by using this method. This minus 2 is the charge given. We have 2 chromium, 7 oxygen. We want to calculate the charge of chromium. Oxygen basically have minus 2. Then 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2. Beta, 2x is equal to plus 12. X is equal to plus 6. That means chromium have plus 6 charge. Oxygen have minus 2. Then single atom, charge given is the oxidation number plus H positive ion given in the reaction. First rule, write the skeletal equation. Second rule, write oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. Better rule number 3rd, identify oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Beta, identify oxidation. Increase in oxidation number is oxidation. Beta, plus 2 to plus 3 increase, plus 6 to plus 3 decrease. Oxygen, nothing oxygen in the right hand side. Increase in oxidation number, oxidation. Decrease in oxidation number, reduction. Oxidizing agent, beta, oxidizing agent is the chemical species which help in oxidation of other but reduce itself. That means the element or the compound which show reduction is oxidizing agent. Then reducing agent help in reduction of other but oxidize itself. Then beta iron plus 2 is the reducing agent. Now another rule. Identify increase or decrease in oxidation number by electrons per atom. Beta iron plus 2, chromium plus 6, gives iron plus 3 plus chromium plus 3. Then plus 2 to plus 3, increase in oxidation number by how many changes? Plus 2 to plus 3, only one electron per atom. Beta plus 6 to plus 3 for one atom, but we have two atoms. So 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6. Decrease in oxidation number by 6 electrons per atom. Total number of electrons you will calculate. Decrease in oxidation number by 6 electrons per atom. Again repeat. Iron plus 2 to plus 3. Increase by 1 electron. We are right. Plus 6 to plus 3. Changes of only 3 electrons. But here 2 chromiums are there. 6 to the 12. Here you must balance the chromium. That is 2. 3 to the 6. 12 to 6 electron. Answer is 6 electrons. Now next rule. Multiply the oxidizing and reducing agent by suitable number so that increase and decrease will be neutralized, balanced. Number of electron increase or decrease must be balanced by multiply the oxidizing agent or reducing agent by suitable integer. It lose 1 electron, it gains 6 electron. How these are balanced? By cross multiplication. This will be multiplied by 6 and this will be multiplied by 1. It is automatically balanced. Now 6 is multiplied by iron. No need to write oxidation number again. And dichromate is multiplied by 1. So no need to write 1. But do not write multiplications in the same step. Now another rule. Balance all the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen. Balance all the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Leave the oxygen and hydrogen. Then what happened? Beta 6 iron, 1 iron. Balanced. 2 iron, automatically 2 iron. All the atoms will be balanced other than oxygen and hydrogen. Now another rule, balance the oxygen atom by addition of water on deficient side. Left hand side 7 oxygen. On right hand side nothing oxygen. Then oxygen atom must be balanced by addition of water molecule on deficient side. Here 7 oxygen. Here none of the oxygen is available. So on deficient side we will add water. How many water? As the number of oxygen. This one. Now our last point, balance the hydrogen atom. Balance the hydrogen atom by 2 ways, either in acidic medium or in basic medium. In our question, H positive represent the acidic medium. That means hydrogen atom will be balanced by addition of H positive ion on deficient side. Better on left hand side none of the hydrogen is present, but on right hand side 14 hydrogens are present. So 14 H positive must be added on left hand side. Now you will identify your reaction is balanced or not. First of all, you will check the charges. Better right, left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side plus 14 plus 12 minus 2. Total charges plus 24. On left hand side, sorry, right hand side, 6 3s are 18 plus 18 plus 6. None of the charge on water. It is plus 24. That means charge is balanced. Now check the number of atoms on left hand side and right hand side by table. Beta species, left hand side, right hand side. Species is H, iron, chromium and oxygen. Left hand side 14H, iron 6, chromium 2 and oxygen beta 7. On right hand side, how many iron? 6. How many chromium? Again 2. How many hydrogen? 14. And how many oxygen? 7. Number of atom and charge on both the sides are similar. That means our reaction is balanced. Then we will write hence balanced. Beta, this is known as verification. This is known as verification. Again repeat. A reaction is given to you that indicate the medium is acidic or basic. Some indication given to you either by writing or by write the formula. But you will automatically, by seeing the equation, you will identify reaction is in acidic medium or in basic. First of all, write the skeletal equation. Write oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. Then identify oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Then now identify oxidation means increase in oxidation number, but how many electrons? In this reaction only by 1 electron. Then reduction, decrease in oxidation number, but how many electrons? Beta 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, by 6 electrons, decrease by 6 electrons. Now multiply oxidizing and reducing agent by suitable integer. Then here you will automatically see by cross multiplication number of electrons or decrease or increase in oxidation number will be automatically clear. Then balance all the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen. Better balance all the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen. Then by addition of water on deficient side, balance the oxygen atom. Here 7 oxygen, nothing oxygen. Add 7 water molecule. And in acidic medium, hydrogen atom is balanced by H positive ion. Then you will identify charge on both the side, atoms on both the side by verification method. And if all are equal on both the side, your reaction is balanced. Your reaction is balanced. Now the same reaction given to you is in basic medium. If all the same reaction, but here in place of H positive we have OH negative ion, then what happens? Again write the skeletal equation. You will write the skeletal equation. Oxidation number, okay. Oxidizing agent, reducing agent, oxidation reduction, okay. Decrease in oxidation number, increase in oxidation number, okay. Multiply by suitable integer, it is okay. Then balance all the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen, automatically okay. But balance oxygen atom by addition of water, it is also okay. But now balance the hydrogen atom basic medium. Balance the hydrogen atom in basic medium. Beta, hydrogen atom is balanced in basic medium by addition of water on deficient side. Addition of water on deficient side and same number of OH negative ion on another side. Here how many hydrogen? Answer is nothing. How many hydrogen? 14. You will directly write number of water molecule on deficient side to balance the hydrogen. Beta, 14 hydrogen, nothing. That means 14 water molecule. And as the water molecule you add it to balance the hydrogen atom, the same number of OH negative ion will be right on another side. 14 H2O, that means you must add 14 OH negative ion. Now you check the hydrogen. Beta, 28 hydrogen. 14 plus 14, 28 hydrogen. Oxygen, 14 plus 7. How many? Beta, 14 plus 7. It is 21. 7 plus 14, 21. That means balance. Now you will see the verification. Verification for charge. Beta, left hand side, right hand side. You will identify charge plus 18, plus 12, minus 2. Plus 12, minus 2. It is plus 10. Here plus 18, plus 6, minus 14. Again plus 10. That means charge is balanced. Now balance the number of atom. Beta, species, left hand side, right hand side. Species again, iron, chromium, hydrogen, oxygen. How many iron? 6. How many chromium? 2. How many hydrogen? Beta, 28. How many oxygen? 14. Plus 7, 21. How many iron? 6. How many chromium? 2. Beta, how many hydrogen? 14 plus 14, 28. How many oxygen? 7 plus 14, 21. Automatically balance. If you will critically see the reaction, here 14 water molecule, here 7 water molecule. These will be cancelled out and we have 7 water molecule. On this behalf, you will also identify how many hydrogen? 14. Clear? How many hydrogen here? Only 14. How many oxygen? 7. Plus 7, 14. How many oxygen? 7 plus 7, 14. How many oxygen here? Only 14. Then also the reaction will be balanced. If you don't cut the same reactant product, then it is okay. If you cut, then also. On this behalf, you will balance the chemical equation by oxidation number method. Thank you.